Hey guys, and welcome back to Kelly's Creations. I'm Kelly. I'm so glad you're here because I'm going to do 3 DIYs for you today, all inspired Christmas and July DIYs. Some of these, if you're new, like recently new to my channel, you've never seen. For my longtime subscribers, I love you so much, but you've probably seen a couple of these, so just bear with me, all right? So the first one is using these JOT storage office containers to make a Christmas tree. And you just grab different sizes of these containers, paint them the colors you want. I did brown for the base, and then I did different shades of green. And then you just glue them together and put a ribbon on it. It's that easy.
To be your light into the night, bless us with a moment of serenity. Let it come to bloom, joyful Christmas news. Hope will find its way to you. Peaceful little lights, Christmas on my mind. Somewhere from a place up high above, there's a special star shining from afar, seeking us to warm up every heart. To be our light into the night, bless us with a moment of serenity. Let it come to bloom, joyful Christmas news. Hope will find its way to you. Hope will find its way to you.
I love unique and different. If you like unique and different, then this little tin Christmas tree is perfect for your Christmas decor.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time.
This next project is one of my all-time favorite Christmas signs. I used one of these Dollar Tree signs, which they have almost every year, and then I used this beautiful vintage inspired craft or scrapping paper. And I'm going to use jute string, and that's all you got to do. Take off the little tin piece at the top, cover this with scrapbook paper. I did use some copper on that tin just to make it look a little bit more vintage. Just cut around the shape, cut it out. You can use hot glue, Mod Podge, you can use glue stick, whatever your little heart desires to attach this. Once you got that size, then you're going to make little tassels. And then you're going to arrange the tassels on the sign in the shape of a Christmas tree. This is so easy. Oh my gosh. But this is my favorite DIY sign I think I've ever done for Christmas. I hang this up every year. So I just wanted to bring it back to show you how I did it again.
I can see the snowflakes fall. I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What?
I love anything with a vintage flair, and I think that's what this sign gives. So simple, but adds just such a little impact because it's just so stinking cute. Look at that. Now, my lighting was picking up that red. The sign isn't red, but it's giving it a red hue just because of my lighting. But how cute is this little Christmas sign? If you show up to my channel because you like how I think outside the box, you're really going to like this next one. I use these little flower pots that you could get at Dollar Tree. They used to come in a pack of 3. Hopefully they still do. I had used them for a prior project, so I'm going to repurpose them. And I'm going to take each of these little pots and I'm going to paint them black. Now mine are teal because, like I said, I used them for a project. These are usually little terracotta pots. Now, my brain, for some reason, when I saw these little pots, I thought, let's create a Christmas tree bell, or a bunch of bells in the shape of a Christmas tree. So that's where I'm going with this. I am going to put these together in the shape of a Christmas tree, but I think that each pot resembles a bell. So that's what I'm going for here. Now, the one little pot, I do add a bead to the top because that one's going to be at the top. I come in with some plastic covers that were on Christmas lights. It was a battery-operated pack of Christmas lights, actually from the Dollar Tree, but they had these big, wonky plastic covers on them that pop off and the little lights underneath it. I used the strand of light, so I never liked the wonky covers. But the wonky covers come into play here because they kind of look like the little bell. So you're going to see me kind of mess up putting this together because I wasn't thinking I attached 2 right away, and I shouldn't have. But not these 2. These 2 are the base. But then you're going to take them and just hot glue them together. This is just like an inspiration. I'm sure y'all can think of a better way to do this. So you see me using different items here just to kind of, I was trying to like fill in the gap, and it kind of worked. I mean, you can't really see it because it's all black. But then I'm going to go up, I'm going to assemble the bell, and then I'm going to come back in and just give it a little coat of white paint. So here's where you see me mess up. Excuse me. I grabbed 3 of the pots and I started gluing them together because I was so excited. But I wasn't supposed to do that. Then when I went to grab the other pots, I'm like doing the math in my head. And yeah, I didn't have enough because this isn't how I was supposed to start this project. When I glued the top piece to the base, that's actually the first layer of the bells, okay? So I was supposed to glue 2 of these on either side of that base. And here I'm kind of looking, I don't have enough. What happened? Oh, I was supposed to glue these to the base, not start fresh. Yeah, here's where I'm realizing I totally messed this up. So, pop them apart. Gonna have to do a little touched up on the paint. It's all good. Mistakes happen. You just figure out a way to fix them. So now you're going to see me assemble this the right way by using the base. Now, they are not straight across. They are going to be tilted in a little bit. It's going to hold them together a little bit better, especially when you go to put the next row on. So they aren't going to be straight across. They do kind of come in just a little bit.
I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true.
To come in and clean up my mess. You won't have to do this. Then I thought that taking a little bit of gray and kind of dry brushing over it all to highlight. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. You could use gold or silver. You could go just around the bottom of each pot and accentuate the bottom of this. I just thought it would be cute to dry brush the whole thing. Just kind of letting my brush hit where it does and just kind of bringing out the lines and just giving it a nice little dry brushing.
Soon as you remove that snow, oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Everything glistens and everything's bright. Everyone's happy.
To attach those little covers, I'm going to use a pipe cleaner and cut it in half and kind of twirl it, one of the ends, twirl it around into a circle. And then I can use that circle to hot glue it to the inside of the pot. So I'm kind of just twirling it around to make it a circle so I have a flat surface to glue to the inside of the pot. And then I'm taking one of those light covers and gluing it to the other end. And that's going to mimic the bell.
When I'm sitting here drinking, I can't help but think about you, about us, as I do this time of the year. I remember me being with you. Was that just a dream that never came true? I am sitting here sinking, drink after drink, as I do this time of the year.
forget you. I must have forgotten. I am lost in my memories, pouring the hours away.
I'm going to take my favorite ribbon from Big Lot. Again, it's vintage inspired ribbon. I absolutely think this is such cute ribbon. And I'm just going to make a bow for the top of my bell Christmas tree. I want y'all to name this tree, please. Is it a tree that has bells, made out of bells, or is it a bell Christmas tree, or I don't know. I want you guys to be very creative, and I want you to leave a comment below with what you think I should name this bell Christmas tree. Now I just added the bow to the top of this and you're done. Like I said, if you're here for unique and different, you've come to the right place, because this is the most unique and different Christmas decor piece I've ever seen. But it's so cute and I love it, and I can't wait to put it out this year.
Way I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
I hope you guys had fun watching this video. I had so much fun making it for you. If you did, hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And tell your friends about my channel, because I am really trying to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of this year. So thank you all so much for stopping by. Thank you for just being y'all, because y'all are the best subscribers ever. I love you so much, and I hope you have a blessed and wonderful week. See you next Sunday. Bye, y'all.